Hello, hello, Facebook family. Rain Rock Casino in Yreka, California, live. Thought we'd give you an update on our expansion construction. We're in full swing here in our south parking lot. Got some of the heavier equipment out today. We are pouring concrete. Our friends at TEPA are very busy. Made a ton of progress despite all this winter wonderland weather that we've been having. Like to keep everybody updated and let them know that the casino is open for operation as normal, 9 a.m. to 3 a.m. Today is Friday. We've got our steak night special going on in the restaurant. $22.99 for a delicious steak dinner. You get $10 in free play with your Players Club card. Tomorrow is Saturday morning brunch starting at 9 a.m. We also have our slot tournament tomorrow. Saturday is for slot tournaments. Got all sorts of exciting things happening here at Rain Rock. This is the current construction of what will be an 80-room hotel, 12 VIP cabins, a 4,000 square foot event center, corporate conference center, smoke-free gaming area, and new dining facility. All coming 2024, Rain Rock Resort. They pulled out the big guns today to pour this concrete. Got the Mac Master over there. They've been busy framing and forming. Despite all of the weather that we've been having, these guys are super troopers. Let's give it up for the TEPA family. Thought I'd give you guys some inside action as to how the progress is going. We are still expanding, even through the winter. We've got our live cam up and running on our website. That's www.rainrockcasino.com. You can watch the construction progress live and see all the developments as they happen. Just thought this moment was a little exciting and thought we'd share it with y'all. You can keep up with us on our Facebook and our Instagram. We're also on TikTok. Check back for all the updates of Rain Rock Resort coming in 2024. Right here in Yreka, California, Rain Rock Casino, where it all begins with you.